Hello everyone. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in this video today how we can use quick steps on our SharePoint list to be able to automate repetitive tasks. So let's say in our use case that we have this record here for Bradley Pitt, and anytime Bradley Pitt is in the title, we know that we need to go ahead and we have to update like 5 or 6 different columns, and it's going to be a lot of busy work. What we could do to make this process a little bit quicker is we could set up a quick step. And to do this, we just have to come over here to the automate option, and then come over here to quick steps, and then do create a quick step. And then we have some different options available to us. So we have the draft an email, we could do a Teams chat, execute a flow, but for us, we want to go ahead and set a value. So we're going to go ahead and set the department to IT, but if you click on this add column here, you could add multiple columns here. So like I mentioned, a relevant use case to when you guys would use this, maybe you have a record and you know anytime it was created by such and such user, or it was created before 2025, for example, then you'd have to automate filling out a bunch of different columns. Then you would add all of those columns here that you want to go ahead and update. And then you go ahead and add a relevant name. So for us, we're just updating the department. So we'll do update department to IT. And then if you choose this where it says always show this quick step, that means it'll always show up under automate no matter which record you select. So for us, we're going to specialize this or condition this so that it only shows up if I am the one who created that record. So we'll do created by is, and then I'll type in my name. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and hit create. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this record. And then if we come over here to automate, we're going to have update department to IT. Now, this isn't, you probably wouldn't want to use this if you're just updating one column because you could just do edit in grid view and that'd probably be quicker. But let's say, we had 5, 6, 7 columns that we had to update, and it would just be way too much dang work for us to go through and update each one of those columns. Then we would go ahead and select the record or records that we want to update. And assuming that they meet the criteria, we're going to have the update department to IT shown up here for automate. So once I click on that, it would update, it updates our IT department, but if we had multiple columns in here, it would have updated all of them at the same time. So rather than us having to go into like edit in grid view and update each one of those columns individually, or, maybe even opening up the record like this and editing those columns, by simply just setting up a quick step, we were able to save ourselves a lot of time.